Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am Bro Gets Rich. I own real estate stocks and crypto. I buy stocks every single day the markets are open. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you what I've been buying this week. Talk about this Ethereum pump and this possible ETF, what some of my future plans are. Anyway, I am rocking shirtless raw dog in this video today because it is like 90 degrees out where I live, and my AC would cause a lot of feedback. So if you don't like a shirtless man, I'll tell you it is hot boy investor summer, so let's get into the video. All right, so if you've seen my videos, this is one of the portfolios that I have been sharing with you guys. These are my total returns on these stocks. Amazon up 74%. The Fidelity Bitcoin ETF sitting over 200 shares of that. Really like that. I'm going to maybe make a run at 300 soon, I'm not sure. Up over 24% or almost 24%. Microsoft up 53%, QQQ just recently started averaging into QQQ every day, up 4.23% already. SCHD up 9%. Tesla is the only stock I'm down on, which we'll talk about in this video, down 12%. VIG up over 13%, and VOO, which I did swap out recently, just because I got S&P 500 ETF for some Tesla, and I also swapped some of that out into some FBTC. And depending on, full disclosure, what Tesla does or FBTC does, because I'm going to stack SPY, which is another S&P 500 ETF in my Robinhood. And this is like not that much VOO. Like, I don't really want to build this position back up. I'd rather own SPY going forward for some future option stuff. So if Tesla gets much lower, or if Bitcoin takes another run down to like 60K or something, I may just swap the rest of this VOO out. So full disclosure, I am putting about $100 to $125 a day into the stock market when the market is open. None of this is financial advice. This is just entertainment. But one of the stocks I'm buying every day, I'm buying $25 a day of Tesla still. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I'm planning on doing so until I get back to my cost basis. I wasn't buying Tesla for a long time. It went up to like 290, or not a long time, but during that run up. Now we are back down below my cost basis. So when I started buying, like averaging into Tesla daily again, my average cost was like around 215, 216 or something like that. So we're down to 205. And just going to stay the course, see how long this will go. I'm not upset about buying Tesla every day, but I definitely am looking forward to a time when I am not underwater on my position and can invest more of my money in my passive income, dividend portfolio that I started on Robinhood. Been having a lot of fun with that. So Tesla, love it. 5-10 year hold, but getting old, getting really sick of buying it. I feel like I've been buying it forever. It's gotten to be a pretty sizable position for this portfolio. Kathy Wood I saw an interview with her the other day, and she still has like a $2,000 price target for Tesla by 2030. Not that is necessarily going to pan out, but let's just say if it does pan out with all their lines of business, AI, robotics, all that stuff, this position could be worth, $100,000. So we're going to have to wait and see. And if you are a crypto bro like myself, I'm not super into, altcoins or anything like that anymore, to be honest. I was major into like DeFi, altcoins, all that. I was like full degen mode last bull run, and, I made some money on some stuff. I got destroyed on some stuff. A lot of really valuable lessons were learned. I basically only hold 3 cryptos right now. Most of my crypto portfolio is in Bitcoin. I have a little bit of Ethereum, as you can see here in this portfolio that I've been sharing with you guys. So I do have over two Ethereum in this account. Total value just about $8,000, and I'm up 115%. And this is the massive pump that Ethereum went on the other day, which completely caught me by surprise. I haven't really been paying attention to anything other than Bitcoin and Solana lately. And then I woke up with all these alerts and saw ETH was up like 20%, which was pretty wild. And then I saw the ETF news. I said, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Whether it stays up, I don't know. I think it probably is going to retrace a little bit. When the Bitcoin, we still haven't even had a launch date for the ETF, but I remember like after Bitcoin's ETF launched, like Bitcoin took a little dump. So yeah, it was a wild pump. I'm not complaining about it. I don't ever remember, like I've been in crypto for like 5 years, and I don't ever remember seeing ETH pump like 20% in a day. So that was definitely pretty wild and a little in a nice little like kind of jolt to the adrenaline system that is crypto. Also, full disclosure, I am planning on selling all of this Ethereum position. I have some other Ethereum positions as well. I'll probably try and get out of all of them, but I'm definitely going to sell this one right here. I'm going to look to offload all of it. I don't really have a price target or anything like that. Like, that's not my specialty. I'm just really paying attention to Bitcoin and seeing what Bitcoin does. And I'm not going to get super greedy with my Ethereum and Solana in terms of like taking profits. Like, Ethereum, like we're almost at $4,000 again. I don't know. I'm just going to wait to see where Bitcoin's at. And then like, I would be fine. I mean, people talk crazy stuff, $12, $15, $20,000 ETH this cycle, blah, blah, blah. I don't need to time the top. I'm chilling. What I might do is just sell it all in stages at a certain price. And then depending on what the status of the market is, I might just like lock some profits in a money market. And then if Tesla's beaten down still for some reason, if Tesla's like $140 again, which I don't think it will by the time ETH, gets toppy. I think Tesla's just going to have too much momentum with all the lines of business by that point. But if for some reason Tesla is beaten down and nothing catastrophic happened, I might like swap some of this Ethereum position to lower my average cost and build my Tesla position. But we are a long ways off from that, and I will keep you all posted. So besides that, I've been buying SCHD every day in my Robinhood account and a couple other dividend ETFs every day in my Robinhood account. And then I'm really looking forward to, I'm building this QQQ position, buying every day. As you can see, it is kind of scary because like QQQ is basically at all-time highs and the S&P 500 is like at all-time highs. Everything's at all-time highs. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world. Interest rates are super high. The election's coming up. So like it is uncertain times. But I'm just thinking about this. All these positions like SCHD, QQQ, my dividend ETFs, my covered call ETFs, putting money into money market accounts like Bitcoin, like they're all super long-term holds for me. So I'm not trying to time the market. I'm just trying to continuously dollar cost average in. And yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. A lot of people have been calling for a crash. I do think like we're due for some sort of correction at some point, but Nvidia just had earnings and now they're up like 10% today or whatever, which is carrying QQQ up. So yeah, that's basically it. Just trying to build up some cash, build up some cash earning interest in either my Robinhood Gold or like getting some money in a money market account or taking profits into a money market account. And yeah, it's pretty simple for me right now. Like I said, guys, I'm not super FOMO-y with crypto this time like I was last time. I built my Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana positions up to my comfort level in the bear market. So I'm just chilling on those. No need to stress out right now for me when it comes to crypto. And then besides Tesla, which doesn't really stress me out a whole lot, I'm just playing the long game, buying quality, and holding for the long term. Let me know down in the comments what you have been buying, what you think of all the stuff I mentioned, the interest rates, the election coming up, all the conflict in the Middle East. If you think that's going to play into the markets, like I said, this is not financial advice. I am Bro Gets Rich. I will keep you updated on what I am buying in the future. Peace out.